Hello everyone. So I found this model of Russian T-90 tank on Thingiverse, and it was for free. So it was 1/16 ratio. I printed out, but on 200%. So because I have this Anycubic Cobra Max. So I increased the size of every part to 200%. So if my calculations are right, this will be 1/8 size. You can see these are road wheels, how big they are, and this is the whole the chassis. So it's still an ongoing project, but since this will be bigger, the original design included all parts are 3D printed plastic, but since this will be really big, so I'm gonna exchange all the movable parts like the rods and so forth with the metal parts, so that it can hold the size. So yeah, this is the back. These are all the side skirts. Yeah, look at this sprocket, how big it is. So yeah, this is my first entry in my YouTube channel, so I hope you guys like it, and I will keep you updated once I'm done with the whole print. And this is the plan is that this will become an RC tank, fully functional RC tank, but really big. So we'll see. I do need some help. If anyone could help me with this. Do you see these holes, right? Because the original schematics, they don't fit 100%, and the guy who made it, when he put the tutorial, which is all the pictures, he put some kind of material to fill in the gaps. So if you have any suggestions on how to fill in these gaps, I would much appreciate it. Look at my finger there. Yeah, I would much appreciate any help and suggestions. Yeah, see, there are gaps as well. So I need to fill in the gaps. So I don't know what to use. Is it epoxy? Some kind of putty? So yeah, I welcome any suggestion. Thank you.